breathe, just relax. My hands up in front, just go on YouTube, right? Relax and go to flow. Get up space, rest. You can that's the camera there, yeah. Get information, someone try to pick you up, or police trying to do something. It's like, covert life, Someone try to set you up and you had it all recorded up to set you up. You need to get someone. A cop try to threaten you or something and you have that on. So that is his job, you end up in jail. Because it's proof. Surveillance. For what? 23 quid for a gigabyte. And you can use it. Just charge it up USB. It's like an MP3 to it, really. Mobile phones do it, but they're not so. What's the word for this guy? They're not so subtle, they're not so. These guys, yeah. It's very cool, Rio, come here. Big dog there. Meet you. Breakfast. Well, this is not the point. It's got to be even more hidden. It's not so subtle. It's not so. J259. Walking back. Here's Rio. Rio, hello. Does it pick up you? Yeah, it probably does, yeah. I don't know. Testing it. No, stay there. Come on. No, the word I was looking for is discreet. This camera, is discreet. No one notices it. Car goes through the light, screen. But I'm not a snitch. I don't graft. I don't shot people. I would if they're a heroin addict and my sister was having to, do unsavory events. The guy was just, killing her. I would. Come on, Rio. Smack Billy, if you got a family involved. Prostituting herself, and the guy just get some guys around. It happened in Brighton years ago. Jailbirds, do you favors, keep enemies close, Follow profile, adapt, overcome, adapt, improvise, breathe, go with the flow. Don't get everything done in a day. Patience, revenge is best served on a cold plate. Just might be a year after. I think that I'd forgotten about what he's done back. You guys go and smash the crack cocaine house. No. They asked me, do you want me to, spot him, basically? Them, the yachty guys. I love all, I've got nothing against any color or anything. But the yachties were Jamaican gang rude. The worst. Any country to live in anyway. Worst. I love that. Bob Marley, where are you going, man? Kingston, it's the highest murder capital in the world, according to Ross Kent. So yeah, I said I don't kill them, just give them a lesson. I felt bad, you know. Years ago, with my sister. Wasn't my sister, it was my aunt. So they weren't shot, they were just, I don't know if I did it again. Get the guys involved to that. But anyway, there were too many people dying at their hands. Bryson's full of drugs in. As I said, if I was an undercover cop, I could make so much money. But police know me, you know. I've been in the Shawshank. Shank is a nice boy. They've even offered me a job as a cop. Probation officer offered me a job. Probation officer. You know, who's the judge when it was when he got judged in court behind the Bible? Judge, he's judging in the Bible. I swear on oath. I said to the judge, you believe in the Bible it says only one man, God. Hello? He has, hasn't he? Twice the size. Twice the size.
Yeah, like 3 times more like. Hello.
3 times, yeah? How are you guys doing, eh?
That's fine, how are you?
Good, yeah, relaxing.
Really hot today.
Oh, God.
But hardly any sun, but it's so hot, and you were so hot.
It's just humid, isn't it?
So hot.
You're Naomi, aren't you?
I'm Naomi.
Naomi. Pims.
Pims. Yeah, Pims.
Yeah.
I wasn't in, but you got me Pims.
Because I call you Pims alcohol, because I can't drink, yeah. So, and your name is? Sophie. So what are you girls up to?
Well, we're just about to go back to mine, get my stuff. Then I don't know, have you just been to the pub?
Yeah.
Good there,
it's good there, isn't it? Yeah. That's the place you told me about all that time, wasn't it? So cool, that place. All the skateboarders, you know.
The kids on the bike.
Yeah. Is it Jack, the blonde guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's good, isn't he?
A bit cocky.
He's cocky. He thinks he knows.
Yeah.
But
I told him that.
But he knows.
He's like, no, I only do it to muck around with my mates. I'm like, no.
But he knows everything with his mates. He said, no, something. You can't take a pet out after 8 weeks or something like that. It's like he's 20.
Yeah, he's quite smart. And he's an idiot.
But is it nice? No. I just pissed on him. I'm joking. I put him in the bath. No, I'm joking. I got Yazoo, right?
A drink?
Yeah, and he spilled it all over him.
No, you probably spilled it.
No, he jumped on me. Look, he's biting me all over the place. So I let it, unbalanced it, so now I've got Pepsi Max.
Good old Pepsi.
So he's going to jump in the bath. He's been down to the sea, so he likes the water. But the Little Hampton Beach?
Little Hampton one?
Yeah, and he chases away. No, I just walk. I drive and I jog. I do training down there.
Oh yeah, you do, don't you?
Yeah, boxing and stuff. So a wise old owl sat on an oak. The more he saw, the less he smoked. No, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he saw.
Okay, that's
Why aren't we like that wise old bird? I miss a drink, you know, sometimes.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. It'd be lovely to drink now. Hot.
Don't think that.
Cold.
Actually, we would.
Couple of pints and a joint. Oh, especially in the bowl. I was just sitting there thinking, oh God, wouldn't it be good?
Yeah, you think that, but you don't.
But then after that, it's a roller coaster. I always end up from what I used to call bar to bar. Even though I used to drink in bars, literally bar to jail bar, yeah.
Yeah.
But
I get that.
Bar to bar.
Yeah. Oh.
But it's that first few, isn't it, that lets your head down.
Yeah, you know that Glenn kid? Glenn, that boy that has a staff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. His ex-girlfriend's going into labour.
Really?
Her baby.
Oh right. And congratulations.
Pardon? I don't know.
Oh right.
Really horrible to him.
So those stats were quite good with him.
Yeah, I know.
Snatch, isn't it? One.
That
The white buster.
Yeah.
Brilliant with the helmet on.
Well, anyway, I'll go
Okay.
right now.
Take care, girls. Have a good evening, yeah? Be good. Don't do anything I would do. I have an imagination. Rio, come on. No. I like girls. See it now.